In this video, we will review Roomstyler. Roomstyler is a web-based interior design tool that allows users to create 3D rooms designed quickly and easily. With its simple user-friendly interface, it's ideal for those who want to experiment with layouts, furniture and decor, without a steep learning curve associated with other design softwares. One of its standout features is the ability to drag and drop in real time. From its vast library of over 120,000 models, it makes it easy to create a realistic space. The platform lets you visualize designs in both 3D and 2D, allowing for a comprehensive view of layout. Roomstyler also includes advanced features, like the ability to change wall colour, text features, lighting and more, so users can fine-tune every aspect of their room. The 3D view provides a truly immersive experience. You can even walk through your design using the virtual tour feature. While the tool is free to use, you can also access more premium features with a paid account, such as higher resolution images and the ability to save multiple projects. However, one of the downsides is the section of furniture. While large, it can be very limiting compared to other tools such as SketchUp. Additionally, the lack of professional grade furniture makes it less suitable for advanced designers. Overall, Roomstyler is a fantastic option for many beginners or casuals looking to design a room with ease and creativity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.